Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Srishti Tutorial for Maths. Now we are going to discuss about the some very important multiple choice questions on physics for NEET, JEE, CET and all competitive exams. The question number 1, which phenomenon is responsible for the blue color of the sky? The red is the answer, that is option D, scattering. And next, question number 2, which of the following materials is the best conductor of electricity? The very nice answer, that is a popular metal like option A, copper. And the question number 3, which principle explains why a ship floats? The right answer is option A, Archimedes principle. And the question number 4, in a vacuum, all electromagnetic waves have the same. The right answer is option C, speed. And next, question number 5, which of the following is the most penetrating type of radiation? The right answer is option C, gamma rays. And next, question number 6, in the absence of air resistance, all objects fall with the same. The right answer is option B, acceleration. And the question number 7, the bending of lights as it passes from one medium to another is called. The right answer is option C, refraction. And next, question number 8, the energy of a photon is given by the equation. The right answer is option B, E is equal to H into F. And next, question number 9, what is the primary source of energy for the Earth's climate system? The right answer is option B, solar energy. And next, question number 10, which principle states that the total energy of an isolated system remains constant? The right answer is option C, conservation of energy. And 11th question, what is the term of the force that opposes the relative motion of two surfaces in contact? Right answer is option B, friction. And the question number 12, the time taken for one complete cycle of a wave is called the right answer is option D, period. And next, question number 13, the wavelength of wave is the distance between. The right answer is option B, two consecutive crests. And next, question number 14, which property of a sound wave determines its pitch? Here, the right answer is option B, frequency. And the 15th question is, what type of electromagnetic radiation has the shortest wavelength? Very nice answer. The right answer is option D, gamma rays. And the 16th question, which of the following is a commonly used material in nuclear reactors as a moderator? The right answer is option A, graphite. And next, question number 17, the gravitational force between two masses is inversely proportional to. The right answer is option C, the square of the distance between them. Question number 18, the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is approximately. Right answer is, all of you know that, option C, 9.8 meter per second square. And the 19th question, the device used to measure electric current is called A. So this is also, all of you know the answer, option B, ammeter. And the 20th question, which of the following phenomena explains the formation of a rainbow? This is also a good answer, that is option D, dispersion. And the 21st question, the electric field inside a conductor in electrostatic equilibrium is, the right answer is option A, 0. And the question number 22, which of the following materials is typically used as a core in an electromagnet? The right answer is option C, iron. And the 23rd question, the minimum amount of energy that can be gained or lost by an atom is called, the right answer is option D, quantum leap. 24th question, the phenomenon where two waves combine to form a wave with a larger amplitude is called, the right answer is option A, interference. And next, 25th question, when light passes from air into glass, which of the following phenomena occurs? The right answer is option C, refraction. Question number 26, next question. An object is thrown vertically upward at the highest point of its trajectory. Its velocity is, the right answer is option C, 0. And next, question number 27. Which of the following properties of a wave is related to loudness in sound waves? The right answer is option B, amplitude. And next, question number 28. Which of the following particles is emitted during alpha decay? The right answer is option D, helium nucleus. And the question number 29, which of the following phenomena is explained by the particle nature of light? This is the answer, that is the option C, photoelectric effect. And last question is 30th question, which of the following particles has the least penetrating power? The right answer is option A, alpha particle. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Once again, thank you very much. Bye bye.